While some people have fancy standing mixers to shred their chicken for them, us other folk, we got forks. Today I'm going to show you how to make shredded chicken quick and easy. First, you'll bring a pot of water to a boil over high heat on the stove. Once it's boiling, you'll add in your raw chicken. It can be thigh or breast, either way works. And then you'll let your chicken boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked all the way through, you'll take it out of the water and grab 2 forks. It's time to shred. I use one fork to hold a piece of chicken steady while the other fork does the shredding. You'll do this until all the desired chicken is shredded. And just like that, you've got shredded chicken, perfect for making my chicken flautas, aka taquitos. Check out the recipe linked in the description. For more easy recipes and recipes made from around the world, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.